Hello, friends. This is Ben Adam, the spiritual counselor. A very beautiful Happy New Year to you. I'm always very excited to bring to you the revelatory message of spirituality. It's been a very long time we've been here. We've had lots of engagement and having to do lots of spiritual works and a whole lot of things like that. And this is a very significant year for us. And for those of you who are very spiritually sensitive, you would understand that this is the year of the unusual. This is a year that too many things will be going against so many predictions and prophecies. This is the year where too many things will be aligning against the desires and the expectations of the enemy. This is the year of new dimensions spiritually. And so I will encourage you to take advantage of this year, apparently in fastings, in prayers, and whatever you are doing to ensure that you enforce your spiritual authority in this year, to ensure that you take control of this year, because this is a very sensitive year. And so today I will be introducing you to a very wonderful topic, one of my greatest spiritual secrets. It is the secret of the exchanging of destinies. You know, when people are born, there are so many things that are going on. There are so many things, there are so many transactions that come on. If you follow me on Instagram, on my live sessions, or a spiritual counselor, you'll see some of the spiritual mysteries that we unravel. How people's destinies are being exchanged in the place of birth. How people's destinies are being sabotaged. You see, there are a whole lot of people. You have gone some prayers, you've done lots of things. It appears that you know very well who you used to be. You know what you are. You know so many things. But it appears that you are working and someone is taking the dividends of your hard work. Someone is taking the dividends of what belongs to you. Should you fall in each of those categories, today I want to teach you how to recover back whatever was taken from you, whatever was exchanged from you. There are people, their destinies have been exchanged. Maybe you went to certain places and whatever. Some persons, they had maybe seen your glory. They've seen how you were going. They've seen the star you carried. And they said, this one, we are not going to, let us see how this one will come alive. Let us see how you will come and enjoy the dividends of this glory, this star. So they carried out certain transactions. The Bible talked about Aman. He said, for every day they casted lots. The word Lord means incantation, divination. They did so many things to take positions that were not in for them. Today I want to show you how to recover back your spiritual authority, your throne, your place, whatever capacity. Stay with me. I'll be right back. Guys, if this is your first time coming here, I'd like you to click on the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at spiritual counselor. And also I want to say a very big thank you for those of you who have been subscribing, those of you who have been reaching out, and a whole lot of things. I want to appreciate you. Today we'll be talking about something really, really important. It is the mystery of the exchange of destinies. The mystery of the exchange of destinies. So many people are walking without their own glories, their own destinies. There are many people, you see, it looks like they are working, they are doing businesses, whatever. But the reality is that the star they are using for that business is not theirs. And so sometimes there are so many transactions and rules of engagement involved in this, which I wouldn't want to go into. But should that be your predicament? Should that be your story? This is it. Now, firstly, for this prayer, you will need cowries, 7 cowries. 1, 2, 3 cowries. This is 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. You need 7 cowries. Ensure you get the original cowries. And also for this prayer, you will need a white handkerchief or whatever, anything white, whether male or female. You take this thing and you cover your head. For this prayer, you ensure that your head is covered as you're carrying out this prayer. Please ensure, because I realize that lots of people, when we give spiritual instruction, they go about doing what they think or what maybe you see someone prescribe certain things, and like, ensure that whatever spiritual instruction you're receiving from here, you are carrying out adherently. Do not assume, please, do not. Ensure you're doing it attentively and you're doing it adherently. So you get 7 cowries. In spirituality, cowries are mediums of communication. Cowrie is a symbol of covenant. Cowrie is a medium of transaction. And in certain culture in Africa, cowries are used as exchange. They are used as form of money. Likewise in spirituality, cowries are used to buy things. So when people are in the place of destinies, when they want to manipulate people's destinies, sometimes the transactions are done with cowries. The transactions are done with certain form of cowrie. So they throw the cowrie down and they begin to check the destiny. They say, John, Mosi, John, let us find out. And they begin to, and he brings out and they say, this one, this is how far he wants to go. But we will not allow him get here. So in the process, once they see what is coming for you, they remove this. They remove whatever they want to, and they begin to alter the process of your destiny, the process of your star. So you realize that the things that used to work well, very well, the things that used to go about very well for you, all of a sudden, the businesses, the connections, it starts drifting, it starts sabotaging so many things. They have done certain transaction with carriers. And sometimes they'll call your name on the carry and they take maybe one after the other, they bury it in different places. And they say, as these cowries are scattered, let his wealth be scattered. As these cowries are scattered, let the destinies of his children be scattered. Let the destinies of our business be scattered. They take this cowrie, make incantation, divinations. They find out how far you will go and they pour it and they do most of this thing. Should that be your story, this is what you do. You get 7 cowries. Now for this prayer, you do this prayer with a fast. Please understand, I've never given you any spiritual instruction without a fast. Please understand. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see the reason why you have to carry out every spiritual assignment with a fast. So you take this fast for 11 days. 11 days. 11 is a number of confusion. You're doing this fast to revoke whatever form that has been going on, to send confusion to the camp of wherever they have been calling your name. So you take this curry, you anoint it with extra virgin olive oil. Anoint this curry. You take it. Now you do this prayer. You do it whether in the night or in the morning you want to do this prayer. You do this prayer. Now this is what you do. You take this curry. You touch your forehead with it. You touch your forehead. You touch your chest, your heart. Touch your forehead. Touch your chest. Touch your forehead. 3 times. Then you do. This is it. You breathe in. You breathe out to it. Then you begin to call your name. You call your name 3 times. Ben Edem, Ben Edem, Ben Edem. Whatever they have spoken against you in evil places, enchanted against your star, whatever they have done against your glory, the one they did knowingly and unknowingly that is working against you, whatever they buried on your behalf that is working against you this day, as this cowrie represents a form of exchange and spiritual transaction, I buy it back. I buy it back. You call your name, you make that prayer with a fast, 11 days fast. Every day during the process of the fast, you do that prayer, you touch your forehead, touch your chest, touch the forehead, you blow into it, you breathe into it 3 times. 3 times. You do it. After that, you put it apparently in whatever. Do not allow anyone touch it and you drop it somewhere. Now, at the end of the 11th day, you will take this, you get a wine, a fruit wine, ensure that the color is red wine, could be a fruit or whatever, but ensure that the color of the wine is red. You take the wine, you pray on it, you touch your head, circle it around your head 3 times. You do it anti-clockwise. 3 times. When it is 12 midnight, irrespective of your time, when it is 12 midnight, you will smash this wine. You do that prayer at the end of the 11th night. When it is 12 midnight, you will smash this wine. Whatever force, whatever spiritual entity that has been sojourned, that has been commissioned to stand against your path, as you carry out this prayer, you will see the manifestative presence of the Almighty. This is Ben Edem, the spiritual counselor. Bye for now.